Today I'm going to show you how to add glowing effect to anything in Adobe Photoshop. First open your image and Photoshop. Then from the toolbar, select the Object Selection tool. Create a loose selection around the tube light to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the tube light of the model from its background. Let's name it Bulb. Now select the background layer. Let's select the subject by making a loose selection around it. Then press Ctrl J on your keyboard to cut the subject from its background. Double-click on this and rename it Subject. Let's disable these two layers first, and then let's go back to this background layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, then create a new color lookup. From this drop-down, select the night from day. Now let's select and enable this bulb or top layer. Then right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. And change the blending mode from normal to linear dodge. Go to Filter menu, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 5 pixels. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. Open the Gaussian Blur window by double-clicking on this Smart Filters. Make the radius 100 pixels. Let's make a copy of it again. Double-click the Smart Filters. Make the radius 250 pixels. Let's make another copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. Double-click the Smart Filters. And make the radius 500 pixels. Then press OK. Select the 4 layers by holding down Shift key. Right-click on it and new group from layers. I'm going to name this Bulb Glow. Now click on the Adjustment Layer icon. Then create a new Hue Saturation. Click on the Clipping Mask icon. And check the Colorize box. Increase the hue all the way to 180. Let's also increase the saturation up to 80. And reduce the lightness to -4. Let's delete this mask thumbnail by dragging the trash can icon at the bottom. Now make one copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. And drag the copy and drop it below the group layer. Hold Ctrl key and click on the thumbnail of the subject layer to make a selection. And click on the mask icon to create a mask. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider and drag it to the right. Then press OK. Select the color lookup layer. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard again and click on the thumbnail of the subject layer to make a selection. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, then create a new Levels. Drag this bottom right slider to the left to add some darkness to the background. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Select the top layer. Let's go back to the Adjustment Layer icon, then create one more color lookup. From the drop-down, select the Crisp Warm. And you can also reduce the effect of this color by dragging this opacity slider. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.